This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Connecting your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Desktop is the fastest way to accurately record your company's financial transactions. Let's go over how to connect a bank or credit card account to QuickBooks. To get started, select Banking, then Bank Feeds, and finally, set up Bank Feed for an account. QuickBooks needs to close all open windows, so select Yes. There are two ways to bring in transactions from your bank and credit card accounts. The first option is to connect your bank or credit card so QuickBooks downloads your transactions automatically. The second option is to download a file with your company's historical transactions from your bank or credit card. Then you import that file so QuickBooks adds those transactions to your accounts. Let's focus on the first method and connect an account automatically. Select your bank or credit card from the list of popular financial institutions, or enter the name of your bank or credit card company and select it from the list. You'll need to enter the user ID and password you use to log into your bank or credit card's online banking. Each financial institution has its own security features and may require a few more steps. You might also need to receive a phone call, text message, or email to verify your identity. Once you've finished with your bank or credit card's sign-in steps, QuickBooks looks for all the accounts you have with your financial institution. These could be separate checking and savings accounts within the same banking login, or the different credit cards for your company's credit card accounts. Select each account you want to connect. Note that you don't have to select everything you see. You should only select the accounts that are relevant to your business. If you see a personal account that isn't business related, you can leave it unselected. If you want to connect an account that you haven't set up on your chart of accounts, select Create New Account and set it up as a new bank or credit card account. When you're ready, select Connect. Once the connection is complete, you see all your business transactions that cleared your bank or credit card from the date you entered to today. When more transactions clear your bank, they'll appear on this list for you to review. The next step is to categorize them so QuickBooks adds them to your accounts. Follow the link at the end of this video to learn how to do that. Now you're ready to connect your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks.